Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix wireless charging not working in Moto G77. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, enable wireless fast charging. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on battery. Now here you will see wireless fast charging. Now turn on this button. After turning on this button, enable wireless fast charging from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on system updates, scroll down, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix wireless charging not working in Moto G77. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.